Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an egg mask for your face that is going to tighten up your skin, it's going to shrink those pores, and it's going to give you perfect flawless skin. So if you want to learn how to make this face mask, stay tuned.
To make sure the egg is fresh, there's a good trick that I like to use. Is to place the egg in a glass of water, and if the egg stays at the bottom, it's fresh, and if it stays on the surface, it's better to throw it away. Once we figured out that, we proceed to make it. So the way you make the egg mask is very simple. You need to whisk 1 egg white and half a teaspoon of agar powder until it gets a foamy texture. Apply the egg mask all over your face and neck. As soon as you put the egg mask on your face, you'll feel how it starts to tighten up your skin, and this is how it works. Wait until the mask is completely dry, which is about 15 to 20 minutes, and then wash it off with warm water and then splash cool water at the end so you can close your pores. Thanks to the astringent properties that egg whites possess, it can be used as a face mask for tightening and toning purposes. It's perfect if you want to shrink large pores on the skin, reduce sebum, and lift loose skin or sagging skin.
This is all I have for today, but before I say bye, I just want to share a few points with you guys. First, if you don't have agar powder, it doesn't matter. Only with the egg will be enough to tighten up your skin. You can also add a few drops of lemon juice. This will be perfect if you have oily skin, acne prone skin. If you add a few drops of lemon juice, make sure to do it at night. Remember, we don't want to upset our skin. If you have oily and acne prone skin, this face mask is going to feel like amazing. It's just going to leave your skin super soft, like oil free. Please make sure to subscribe if you like this content, if you like this channel. Give me a thumbs up if you think this video is helpful. I hope you guys enjoy your week, and I'll see you on Tuesday. Pura Vida!